coming at y'all with another video. Now, a lot of people in life ask me, yo, Ty, like, what do you do to your hair? Yo, Ty, you know what I'm saying? My hair looks like this. How do I make it look like yours? You know what I'm saying? So pretty much in this video, it's a hair tutorial on how to make your hair curly for all hair types. I think it'll work for people with straight hair, but if you have like coarse, like nappy hair, this video should help you out. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's get right. First things first, you gotta get in the shower. Yes, a lot of you musty ass niggas gotta get in the shower. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get curls, you gotta get in the shower. But anyways, you gotta wash and condition your hair. You know what I'm saying? Shampoo it and condition it. Now the shampoo I like to use is Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This shit helps a lot. It makes your hair like stronger. It's healthy for your hair. It has like argan oil in this, so that's good for your hair. If you wanna like, you also gotta keep your hair healthy. That's one thing you gotta do. And I also like to use the same conditioner, the Sleek and Shine Garnier. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower right now, and I'll catch y'all when I get out. I'm back, and as you can see, I washed and conditioned my hair. And my hair is already curly. It's already naturally curly. Like, not a lot of people are like me though. Like, I know there's a lot of people with straight hair that want curls, and there's a lot of people with you know what I'm saying, coarse nappy hair that want curls. You know what I'm saying? So this next stuff applies to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're curly hair, you can do this too. It helps define your curls. But what you gotta do next is you take your leave-in conditioner and then you start finger cooling your hair. I'm about to show y'all an example right now. What you're gonna do now is put conditioner all over your hands and then start finger cooling your hair like this. It's better when if you have two hands when you do this. You know what I'm saying? So you can separate like hairs that don't belong. But the end result should come out like this, like a finger coil. And you're gonna do that all across your hair. So I'll be right back. I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, coil my hair and then show you what your hair coil should look like when you're done coiling. This is the end results of the twists. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, the next step from here is to let your hair dry. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let it 100% dry, only because like if you take it out when it's not 100% dry, it's not gonna, the curls are not gonna look as good as it would when it's 100% dry. You know what I mean? So let this shit, you know what I'm saying, dry. Just go about your day. If you do it during the day, just like throw on a do-rag real quick if you don't like how it looks, or rock it like this. You know what I'm saying? What I like to do is, since I don't like how it looks on me, I do it at night, so that by the time it's the daytime, you know what I'm saying, I can just take it out in the morning and then go about my business, have my curls out, let the girls get over it. You know what I'm saying? Stop capping. And yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and y'all gonna see me in the morning when my hair is 100% dry. I'm back, and as you can see, I took the twist out. You know what I'm saying? It came out pretty okay to me. It's mad curly and mad shiny right now. And yeah, that's the end of this video. You know what I'm saying? If you have straight hair and you try this, let me know if it works in the comments. If you have kinky coarse hair, let me know if it worked for you in the comments. You know what I'm saying? And please leave a like and sub to my channel and click that bell if you want like good content. I'm about to be posting like mad shit. If you watched the previous video, you know what I'm about to be, you know what's in store for this channel. So stay in tune, basically.
Niggas give me the cold shoulder, I can speak for myself. So I keep a hot waist and alligator the belt.